Hi guys, what is up, Matt Curtin here today, and with another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in ages. This is a replica I've made, a gun replica, and yeah, be back in a minute to show you. So guys, this is the full replica of the gun, and yeah, so I'll bring it over here. So this is it. If you want to know how I've made it, I'll put the instructions down below. It's only 2 steps, really. All you need is some no, I can't find it. So all you need is some super glue and a little old pound toy and stick it together. This is a part of a sniper, this was, but it basically broke, and then I scrambled a bit off it, and now it's on this, and it's actually quite good held in. Yeah, it's good holding. Now you have it, guys. I'm with another video, and yeah, see you later. Peace out.